Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making a mint chocolate chip cream pie. Now for this, we have some powdered sugar, we have some milk chocolate chips down here, we got some butter here, we got some sugar here, some cream cheese here, we have got some mint extract, we've got some green food coloring to give it that peppermint, that minty look, we've got some vanilla extract, and I have some chocolate graham crackers. Now, if you can find chocolate graham crackers in your store, because I know they exist, I do, but when I went to the store, this is all they had. And it's still graham cracker, it's still chocolate, it's just Teddy Grahams, so that's what I have. So, first things first, we're going to start by crushing up our Teddy Grahams, or chocolate graham crackers, whatever you have. That's what we're going to do. Alright, y'all. So, we've taken 2 cups of our crushed chocolate graham crackers. Now we are going to take about 1/3 of a cup of our melted butter. We're just going to dump that in. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this up. And once we have it mixed up, we're just going to go ahead and go around the pie pan and start shaping a pie crust. Now this is actually going to be a no-bake pie, so once we have our pie crust shaped, we want to go ahead and set this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. That'll give us plenty of time to make our filling. Alright y'all, so while our pie crust is chilling in the fridge, we are going to go ahead and start by making our filling. So for the first step of this, we're just going to make a simple whipped cream, which involves 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And we're simply just gonna we're gonna go ahead and mix this up until we get a whipped cream consistency. So as you can see, we have whipped our heavy whipping cream, and we now have a whipped cream. We're gonna go ahead, set this to the side, and make the rest of our filling. Alright y'all, so in a separate mixing bowl, we have 8 ounces of our cream cheese that we've allowed to sit on the counter for a few hours to soften up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our mixer, and we're gonna cream this together until it becomes smooth and creamy. At that point, I'll bring you back. And now, we have our cream cheese creamed up. We're just going to go ahead, take 1.25 cups of our powdered sugar. Now as you can see, we've got a smooth mixture in our bowl. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of both our vanilla and our peppermint extracts. And now we're just going to mix that together. And now, we're just gonna add a few drops at a time of our green food coloring until we get the green that we want. Now I'm gonna add just a touch more green, make mine a little brighter of a green, as we want to remember that we're gonna be adding whipped cream to this mixture. So we'll make it a little brighter than the green we want over here. So now we've got that together. We're gonna go ahead and dump in our whipped cream that we've made earlier. Once again, let's take our mixer and we're gonna mix this all in together. Now, like I kind of expected, our green kind of dulled out a little. So I'm just gonna add a touch more of our green extract to get that classic mint color that you would expect in a mint chocolate chip. Now we've got that put together. So let's just go ahead and we're gonna dump in about a half a cup of our chocolate chips. And we're just gonna fold these in with our spatula. If you want a little more chocolate chip in yours, go ahead, dump some more in. It is your pie after all. But after you add candy or anything like that to something like this, you never use an electric once you add your candy. And when you do any kind of batters or mixes, you can use that's why you always do your candy last, is because you don't want to break your candy up. So you don't use electric. Just do that by hand at the end. So, we've got this ready. We need to go get our pie crust. Alright y'all, so we have our pie crust here. We're just gonna take and fold this all down into that pie crust. And now we just need to go ahead, put this down in our crust, and even it out the best we can. If you want a little texture in it, you can go ahead and leave it like that. Now, when I dumped mine in, I might have got a little too close to this edge, but that's alright, it all eats the same. Alright y'all, so now all we gotta do, throw this in the fridge, let it chill for 2 to 3 hours so it can really set up, and then it's ready to serve. At that point, we'll bring it back. Alright y'all, there you have it, a chocolate chip mint cream pie. I think I said that backwards, but that's alright. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video right here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And if you made it this far, you might as well go watch that other one. But until next time, keep on cooking on.